Alright, dudes. Gotta work on this old girl. The dryer blew out. Cramped in this area. Of course, I spilled water all from the freaking pressure valve that was in for the boiler. That was in this cup. That's wonderful. Trying to get all the dust off of everything, which is a good thing. Alright, well, let me take it apart and see what's happening here. Worth checking out in this mess. Alright, back cover off of the control panel area. This is like, I'm not saying I'm going to be able to fix it, but it's like butter. The most complicated switch here is the dial for all the settings, on, off, timed, and some bullshit. Okay, now the back cover's off. I don't like that something's missing here. Looks like a pop off or a blowout. That's just for the lint and all that shit, and the hot air and cold air to blow through all these ports. But this here is making all sorts of dust in the back of the unit, I think. There's not much dust in it, like on it, but something's up. Alright. I have to go find, I don't have any of my nice electrical testers for just straight up AC, DC current. I don't really like a multimeter for testing shit. I don't know why I don't. That's just me. So I got to get up here and get something to test these rheostats, relays, to check if it's getting voltage at different settings of the main dial, because the baby will run. Probably happens to everybody. This is high voltage here coming in. She runs, she's just not heating up, and it don't have a heat coil. Well, it has a heat coil instead of something like, oh shit, I was saying the name earlier. But anyway, we'll check into it. I'll probably lose the video, but that's the way it goes. Oh baby, I'm cramped down here with these blown out knees. It's almost impossible to work. Holy shit. Oh. Alright guys, looking for an ohm meter. Be back. Okay guys, I'm checking all this shit for readings open or very low ohms. These are the, I was saying before, the switches, they're thermostats, high and lows, safeties, shit like that. This is the main heating one. This is a safety for overheating. This also, it could be clogged, bullshit, dirt, dust. But you have to check it. Check for input voltage, 220, 100 and something on each line. Now I'm going up to this timer. I'm going to set the timer on the on positions and see if it says open, nothing happening. That means the switch is probably toast, but we'll see. It's just a matter of testing and reading. I found the schematic. I got to try to wrap my head around that because I had too many concussions. Okay. All right. I checked these out. They seemed okay. Got to go back and get some specs, and then I'll be back to you. Okay. ladies and gentlemen. I'm testing all these bullshit thermosensors and thermostats. They all appear to be checking out good within specs, whatever. A few ohms. Certain ones will be open. You'll have to research that and get the specs out of a manual or a freaking YouTube. But these two bad boy wires here at the bottom, inside here, they go to one side of the coils and the other side. I'm not getting a reading. I gotta make sure the two sets of coils in here are linked, and they're supposed to be linked. If they are, I should get a reading out of these two wires. If they're supposed to be linked and there's a break, hey, we know I need the coils. I don't know if you can see them in there. So I have to get this vent off. It looks like, a couple of screws and a strange clip up here. Even the switch checked out. I'm going to double check it, but it seemed to check out from going, put it in a hot mode where it should be powering up, and then you check the connection, see if voltage could flow through. Or if it goes straight to ground, or things like that. Alright, dudes and dudettes, it's apart. You can see at the top, they're connected. You can see there, it goes to the next one, there, jumps, sequential, all the way down to these two dogs, and we're not getting anything, but let me check again. Could be a bad connection.
Recording. But I don't... Oh, yeah, it's going.
Okay. I have no continuity through the coils. Oh, shit. Nothing's open, but if I get up in here, I got plenty of resistance. 5.7. Yep. Not from one side to the next, which it should have because they're connected. That one definitely comes across. Okay. It's still reading.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's off. Oh, here we go. We found the break. Anybody can see that? So I need one side or a heating element for this pig. Or I could braise it probably, but that's out of the question. Okay.
Okay.
There's the break. Couldn't tell it was in there, like tangled a little, and it was like, now I could move it. I don't feel like fixing it with something. This might be tungsten, so maybe I can't even fix it. Alright, so all these thermostats and crap, like I said, high-low limits. What's with the blurry shit? Worked. I do need a door switch. That entails way more taking apart for that little piece of shit that's up front. Got to take the top off of this pig. But maybe I'll order that. Because you open the door, she stays running. Never bothered me. But since I'm in it, maybe I'll do it. And I had one. Ask me where it is. Magically gone. Okay, girls and boys, I'm going to order the parts. and get back to you bros and whatever. Wow. Torch checking out. I don't know how anybody videotapes this crap when you're working on something, because I can't do it. All right. Torch and Jovan checking out. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a blessed day.